Okay, let me show you the secrets that make this eggnog cheesecake so creamy it gets reactions like Marco did. And the biggest secret? We make this with no water bath at all. But first, the crust. Because this tastes exactly like ginger snap and you don't even need to spend time hunting for them. And as I always remind you, for any baked cheesecake, the rule is the same. Don't overmix. This is where most cheesecakes go wrong. Too much air now means cracks later. Eggnog gives this cheesecake that cozy holiday flavor, and what we love is the texture. It's creamy and rich, so it blends beautifully into the batter without making it loose. And a tiny bit of rum extract makes the flavor even nicer. A small amount of flour keeps the filling stable as it bakes. It helps prevent cracks and it doesn't change the texture at all. And if you can, use freshly grated nutmeg. The flavor is so much warmer and it really complements our eggnog cheesecake. And here's another little secret of ours. We whisk the eggs lightly on their own first. It helps them blend in faster and it keeps you from whipping in extra air, which is what causes cracks later. And here's the part nobody believes until they try it. This cheesecake bakes with no water bath at all. No wrapping pans, no boiling water, nothing. A low gentle bake gives you that same creamy, crack-free finish. And you know it's perfectly cooked when the center still has that little wobble. That's what gives you that creamy texture once it chills. We love finishing this eggnog cheesecake with a sweet layer of whipped cream. It makes everything look cozy and festive, and that little touch of nutmeg on top just feels like pure holiday. This cheesecake is everything we love about the holidays. Creamy, cozy, full of that eggnog warmth. And the texture, it's unbelievably silky. All of this, and we baked it with no water bath, no stress at all. Just pure creamy festive magic. Every bite feels like a little holiday moment. And honestly, this is the best part for me. Giving it to Marco and watching that first bite. If a cheesecake can make someone this happy, you know it's worth making.